There from the Graham Acton Beef Connections program. Well, in centering all of the action underway, it'd be our group that has just been judged. It's our Interbreed Champions Day, and Martin Bunyard is on the scenes. Marty, what are we seeing there in the ring?
Yes, well, we are seeing quite a wet ring at the moment. You can see all the cattle parading around for the interbreed judging. Currently underway is the breeders group for Beef 2024. Now, there has been 28 different breeds brought out here to be paraded around for this championship. There was a total of over 1,500 head of stud cattle that were judged to get to this point, and more than 350 exhibitors. So it certainly has been a huge undertaking over the last 2 days at Beef 2024. But here we are at the pinnacle of it all, the Beef 2024 interbreed judging, and I thought it's always good to head out into the crowd. How are you enjoying the Beef 2024 stud cattle judging so far?
Oh, it's been fantastic. I've been here all week and watched a fair bit of the judging. It's been very exciting, a lot of really good judges, and yeah, a good lineup of cattle again.
And what's your hot tip for who might win the Supreme Champion Bull?
Oh, I'm sort of looking at the Droughty Bull there. Looks pretty good to me.
We're hearing that a little bit, of course. Now we've got this girl here. Tell us, how are you going? What's your name?
Georgia Perkins.
Nice to meet you. What's your hot tip for the Grand Champion female of Beef 2024?
Hot tip? Oh, just have something that's, I suppose, industry relevant, going to fit into both stud and commercial operations, really, yeah.
Excellent. Well, let's head along. We've got these two lovely people here. How are you going? What's your name?
Marg McConaughey.
Nice to meet you. What's your hot tip? We're looking at the Breeders Group interbreed judging here now. Who do you think is the best chance at winning this award?
Charolais.
Charolais. A little bias there. Yourself, sir, what's your name?
Bruce McConaughey.
Tell us, what are you thinking? You're looking out across the ring there of the interbreed judging for the Breeders Group. What's your hot tip?
I like the ones on the end, the Black Angus look very good to me, followed by the Charolais.
Excellent, excellent. We've got another one up here. How are you, mate? What's your name?
Mitchell.
Mate, how are you enjoying all the judging here today?
Yeah, it's pretty good minus the rain.
It is. It's always, we can't complain about the rain. It's making it a bit tough for the paraders out there. But your hot tip, let's say, for the Beef 2024 Supreme Bull, who would you put up? What breed?
Probably the Brahman.
Why is that?
Personal preference.
I think everyone's got their personal preference. This fella looks like he's got a personal preference. What's your name?
Yeah, Neil Keel.
What's your hot tip for the, let's say, Grand Champion Bull of Beef 2024, the Supreme Champion?
Yeah, well, I'm 3 generations of Hereford cattle. I'd nearly have to take the Herefords, wouldn't I?
Excellent. Well, best of luck. Do you think we might have a look at a few more? My cameraman Ken, he's been getting around everywhere here today. How are you going? What's your name?
I'm Kate.
Kate, what's your hot tip, say, for the Grand Champion, the Supreme Champion female for Beef 2024, which will step out in the ring within the next half an hour, we do expect. What's your hot tip for the winner?
Oh, God, it's hard to say. I reckon the Angus has got to get it. Look, they look beautiful. Good frame, good muscle. They look good.
Fantastic. Well, as you can see behind me, it's still all underway here in centering as the breeder groups judging continues along here in centering. There's all the different breeds, 28 total different breeds here for the judging today. They expect it'll take about another half an hour and we might have the Supreme Champion winner, but we'll see how long it does take. But we're predicting about half an hour, Lindsay. We should have a winner for you for the Beef 2024 interbreed judging of the Breeders Group.
Loving hearing from the crowd there. Everyone's a judge. Marty Bunyard. We'll be back with all of the live action here in just a moment's time. Don't go anywhere.